living soil is the way it crumbles. So when you get this chocolate cake kind of crumble, then that's always a good sign. What will happen if you kill this soil, then it will stop crumbling. It will make tight clay clods. And when you break them open, there won't be any sign of any crumbs. It'll be yeah, you can see in this soil there's much coarse grains of sand in there. You see the little, like this is the remnants of the roots of what grew there. See how there's the fibers in the soil there? See the fibers? This is a sign of a living soil. You would not have those fibers in there if there were no plant roots. And you would not have the soil aggregate if they weren't giving off these what's called polysaccharides or complex sugars. And so you don't then get that soil aggregation that gives you crumbs like this. And you don't have that much air in the soil. The animal life in the soil has to have oxygen in order to digest the organic material in the soil. And it's the animal life in the soil that feeds the plant life in the next generation. So you always have, in the soil, you have this animal digestion going on that feeds the plant growth in the atmosphere. And then the plant growth in the atmosphere feeds the animal life in the soil. So it's doing this all the time. And even in the winter, what happened the last summer is feeding the activity in the soil in the winter. The winter season, as compared to the summer, is the animal season of the soil. It's the digestive season of the soil. It's the lime season of the soil. Lime, as I've pointed out, is digestive. The other season, the summer season of the soil, is the plant season of the soil. I don't know why I'm saying that. Everyone knows that. You know, the plants are not growing now. They're going to grow in the summer. But when you're building the life into the farm, then you have to maximize the biomass production of the plant life in order to maximize the digestive activity of the animal life. Because you're feeding the plant life to the animal life, and then the animal life is feeding the plant life in its next generation. So there's this formative in the plant life and transformative activity in the animal life. So the plant life is organizing the carbon dioxide, the water in the atmosphere, and then the animal life is reorganizing it. And this is what builds vitality into the farm. It seems so obvious to me that I think I'm telling you something that you all know, and I'm very stupid for having to tell you that I should think, of course you know that. I'm sure you do know